MB-910 Microsoft Dynamics 365 Fundamentals 120 Questions and Answers. Question: a company deploys Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. The company plans to add customer voice. You need to describe the out-of-the-box benefits of customer voice. What are 3 benefits of using customer voice? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, you can use projects to organize surveys. Option 2, you can use templates to quickly create and deploy surveys. Option 3, you can track customer satisfaction metrics over time. Option 4, you can use survey responses to automatically generate activities for a salesperson. Option 5, you must create variables on both the email template and the survey. Correct answers: you can use projects to organize surveys. You can use templates to quickly create and deploy surveys. You can track customer satisfaction metrics over time. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the capabilities of Dynamics 365 Customer Voice. All surveys belong to a project. The project can contain one survey or several surveys that are related. Templates are provided by Customer Voice as a quick starting point. Satisfaction metrics can be tracked through the project over time. Survey responses cannot automatically generate activities for the salesperson. This can be achieved with the assistance of Microsoft Power Automate. Variables created on the survey can be used on the email template. Question: a company has integrated the Dynamics 365 app for Outlook with Dynamics 365 Sales. Which 3 features can you use? Each correct answer presents part of a complete solution. Option 1, add a stakeholder to an opportunity. Option 2, complete a work order. Option 3, create a new contact in Dynamics 365. Option 4, send sales literature as an email attachment. Option 5, track emails into Dynamics 365. Correct answers: create a new contact in Dynamics 365. Send sales literature as an email attachment. Track emails into Dynamics 365. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of working with the Dynamics 365 app for Outlook integration. The Dynamics 365 app for Outlook can create and edit core records such as contacts. The app for Outlook tries to match emails to existing contacts and allows the user to create new contacts in Dynamics 365. The Dynamics 365 app for Outlook supports inserting sales literature documents as attachments to outbound emails. The Dynamics 365 app for Outlook enables a user to track an email so that it appears in the timelines of related Dynamics 365 records. The Dynamics 365 app for Outlook can create and edit some record types in Dynamics 365 but cannot add a stakeholder to an opportunity. The Dynamics 365 app for Outlook does not support work orders. There is a separate mobile app for field service technicians to complete work orders. Question: a company has multiple systems that it uses for different purposes, including an order management system, a case management system, and an e-commerce system. The company would like to create a 360-degree view of its customers to provide more personalized offers to them. You need to recommend a solution. Which Dynamics 365 module should you recommend? Option 1, Dynamics 365 Sales. Option 2, Dynamics 365 Customer Voice. Option 3, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Data. Option 4, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Journeys. Correct answers: Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Data. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Eurodata. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Eurodata enables the creation of unified customer profiles by combining data from multiple systems such as order management, case management, and e-commerce. The company can use the customer profiles to create personalized offers using the attributes and activities in the profiles. The profiles can be used in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys to support journeys and deliver personalized offers. Dynamics 365 Sales enables relationship management and improves the sales process at organizations but cannot create profiles from other data sources. Dynamics 365 Customer Voice captures feedback and is not a solution that enables the creation of unified customer profiles. Question: a company implements Dynamics 365 Customer Service. The company must review the performance of customer service agents and evaluate customer satisfaction levels. You need to advise the company on a solution that enables the company to gather feedback associated with a case or conversation. Which option should you recommend? Option 1, Microsoft Power BI. Option 2, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Journeys. Option 3, Dynamics 365 Customer Voice. Option 4, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Data. Correct answers: Dynamics 365 Customer Voice Explanation. This item tests the candidate's knowledge of the related apps that are integrated with Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Dynamics 365 Customer Voice integrates natively with Omnichannel for customer service as an embedded survey within the chat window. Users can also create surveys, which can be triggered on the completion of a case or conversation. Power BI can be used to analyze survey data collected, however, it is not capable of gathering survey data. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data will allow survey data to be amalgamated and reviewed, however, it is not capable of gathering survey data. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys includes a survey app, however, this does not integrate natively with customer service. Question: A company implements Dynamics 365 Field Service. You need to create a work order from existing records. Which two table records can be converted to a work order? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, Lead. Option 2, Contact. Option 3, Opportunity. Option 4, Account. Option 5, Case. Correct answers: Opportunity, Case. Explanation. This item tests the candidate's knowledge of converting opportunity and case records to work order records. Using the Convert to Work Order button on the command bar of the opportunity form, the opportunity record can be converted to a work order. Using the Convert to Work Order feature, the case record can be converted to a work order. There is not an option to convert the lead, contact, or account to work order. Question: A company is evaluating Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. The company must know which data source can be natively used for the Dynamics 365 sales app. You need to identify the natively used data source. Which data source should you identify? Option 1, Microsoft SharePoint. Option 2, Microsoft Dataverse. Option 3, Microsoft SQL Server. Option 4, Microsoft Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2. Correct answers: Microsoft Dataverse. Explanation. This item tests the candidate's knowledge of how Dataverse is related to customer engagement applications. Customer engagement applications, Dynamics 365 Sales, Dynamics 365 Customer Service, and Dynamics 365 Field Service are based on a data model stored within Microsoft Dataverse. Microsoft SharePoint, SQL Server, and Azure Data Lake Storage Gen 2 must be integrated with Dataverse or embedded in a Canvas app to be visible or used within Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales. Question: A company is evaluating Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. You need to describe the capabilities of Power BI when it is connected to customer engagement apps. Which capability should you describe? Option 1, Power BI visualizations can be integrated only with Office 365 apps. Option 2, Power BI visualizations can be integrated only with finance and operations apps. Option 3, Power BI visualizations can be used in Dynamics 365 Sales or Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Option 4, the Power BI visualizations can only be viewed outside of Dynamics 365 apps. Correct answers: Power BI visualizations can be used in Dynamics 365 Sales or Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Explanation: This item tests the candidate's knowledge of Microsoft Power Platform applications in Dynamics 365 and how it relates to customer engagement apps. Power BI provides business analytics capabilities that are often used to connect to Dynamics 365 apps and provide important insight into a company. These visualizations can then be used in Dynamics 365 apps such as Dynamics 365 Sales or Customer Service. Question: A company is implementing Dynamics 365 Sales. You need to describe how Microsoft Dataverse supports the Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. Which two capabilities does Microsoft Dataverse provide to Dynamics 365? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, Provide customer self-support. Option 2, Apply logic and data validation. Option 3, Generate insights into customer data. Option 4. Extend Dynamics 365 with Power Apps. Correct answers: apply logic and data validation. Extend Dynamics 365 with Power Apps. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Microsoft Dataverse as the foundation for Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps store their data in Microsoft Dataverse. The customer engagement apps share the same Dataverse data store, allowing the apps to work together without integration. Users can build Power Apps that use the same Dataverse data to extend Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. Logic and validation can be built into Microsoft Dataverse using tools such as business rules, and this logic will then be applied to the Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. Customer self-support is provided by Power Pages and Copilot Studio. Although you can expose Dynamics 365 data stored in Dataverse through Power Pages, it is not a feature of Dataverse. Insights into your customer data is provided by the Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps themselves by using AI or by using the analytics features of Power BI. Question: a company is implementing Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. The company wants to schedule third-party engineers to service its customers by using built-in functionality. Which two apps can you recommend? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, Dynamics 365 Sales. Option 2, Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Option 3, Dynamics 365 Guides. Option 4, Dynamics 365 Field Service. Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Dynamics 365 Field Service. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Dynamics 365 applications built on Microsoft Dataverse. Dataverse is used to power many applications, some of which use Dataverse as a central repository. Dynamics 365 Field Service and Dynamics 365 Customer Service are two of the first-party model-driven apps built that use the diverse features of Dataverse. Scheduling is not a built-in feature of Dynamics 365 Sales or Dynamics 365 Guides. Question: a company is implementing Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. The company wants to understand how Microsoft Dataverse can be used to help with data quality issues. What are two features that support logic and validation in Dataverse? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Option 1, Business Rules. Option 2, Security. Option 3, Workflows. Option 4, Power Query. Correct answers: Business Rules. Workflows. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of logic and validation features available within Dataverse. One of the benefits of using Microsoft Dataverse is its built-in logic and validation. Dataverse uses server-side logic and validation to ensure data quality. Business rules provide validation of data, and workflows drive logic within the system. Security is a feature provided by Dataverse, but it does not drive logic or validation within Dataverse. Power Query is used to support data import into Dataverse, not logic and validation. Correct answers: Cases. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the omnichannel for customer service application. The active conversation screen provides an overview of the selected customer. It is read-only and provides information about cases, customers, timelines, and conversation history. It does not provide information about accounts or transcripts. Question: a company is implementing omnichannel for customer service. The company wants agents to have a 360-degree overview of the customer during conversations. You need to describe the type of customer-related information that is available by default on the active conversation screen. Which information type should you describe? Option 1, Cases. Option 2, Accounts. Option 3, Transcripts. Question: a company must reduce its cost of service by improving self-service capabilities. The company uses an omnichannel native chat solution. You need to recommend a chat solution that provides contextual support without the need for an agent. Which app or tool should you recommend? Option 1, Microsoft Power BI. Option 2, Microsoft Power Apps. Option 3, Microsoft Power Pages. Option 4, Microsoft Copilot Studio Bots. Correct answers: Microsoft Copilot Studio Bots. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of related customer service applications. Copilot Studio provides self-service capabilities to customers and agents via bots or interactive voice response (IVR). It is a part of the Microsoft Power Platform, which also includes Power Apps, Power BI, Power Automate, and Power Pages. Power BI, Power Apps, and Power Pages do not provide self-service capabilities. Question: a company needs to launch a new product. You need to manage an event for the new product launch. What should you use? Option 1, Dynamics 365 Sales. Option 2, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Journeys. Option 3, Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Option 4, Dynamics 365 Remote Assist. Correct answers: Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Journeys. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of managing events with Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Journeys. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Journeys enables users to manage events. Dynamics 365 Sales, Dynamics 365 Customer Service, and Dynamics 365 Remote Assist do not include event management capabilities. Question: a company needs to schedule workers for customers' on-site issues based on workers' location and availability. Which app should you use for scheduling? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Option 2, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Journeys. Option 3, Dynamics 365 Field Service. Option 4, Dynamics 365 Guides. Correct answers: Dynamics 365 Field Service. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of unified resource scheduling. Dynamics 365 Field Service includes the ability to schedule resources and equipment for a work order. Dynamics 365 Customer Service includes the ability to schedule resources and equipment using service scheduling. Workers should use work orders which will not be scheduled via service scheduling. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Journeys, and Dynamics 365 Guides do not include the ability to schedule resources and equipment. Question: a company plans to implement Dynamics 365 Customer Service. You need to explain the benefits of Dynamics 365 Customer Service to employees. What are 3 benefits? Each correct answer is part of a complete solution. Option 1, create leads for a sales team. Option 2, manage and log all related case interactions such as phone calls and tasks. Option 3, manage the project lifecycle including project invoicing and revenue recognition. Option 4, create queues and route cases to the correct channels. Option 5, create and track service levels through a service level agreement, SLA. Correct answers: manage and log all related case interactions such as phone calls and tasks. Create queues and route cases to the correct channels. Create and track service levels through a service level agreement, SLA. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Dynamics 365 customer service components which can be used to improve the customer experience. Managing cases and the associated communications, interactions, is a core feature of Dynamics 365 customer service. Queues are a core feature of Dynamics 365 customer service. SLAs are part of Dynamics 365 customer service. Dynamics 365 customer service does not support leads. Leads are a feature of Dynamics sales. Managing the project lifecycle, including project invoicing and revenue recognition. Question: a company plans to integrate a Microsoft Copilot Studio bot with finance and operations apps. The bot must be able to hand off a conversation to a human agent. You need to recommend a solution that integrates with a Copilot Studio bot and hands off conversations to agents. Which solution should you recommend? Option 1, Dynamics 365 Sales. Option 2, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Journeys. Option 3, Dynamics 365 Customer Voice. Option 4, Dynamics 365 Omnichannel for Customer Service. Option 5, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Correct answers: Dynamics 365 Omnichannel for Customer Service. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Omnichannel for Customer Service. Omnichannel for Customer Service contains an engagement hub that Copilot Studio bots can use to transfer the conversation to a human agent. The bot's conversation is preserved and is visible to the human agent. LinkedIn Sales Navigator and Dynamics 365 Sales, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, Journeys, and Customer Voice do not integrate with Copilot Studio bots. Question: a company plans to use Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. You need to describe how Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps can be used to improve interactions with customers. Which improved interaction should you describe as a result of the customer engagement apps? Option 1, control finances. Option 2, create personalized experiences. Option 3, improve supply chain management. Option 4, manage human resources. Correct answers: create personalized experiences. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the use cases for Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps help users create personalized marketing, sales, and service experiences by using data and intelligence to improve every interaction. The Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps prioritize with whom to engage and identify how and when to connect. Controlling finances, improving supply chain management, and managing human resources are provided by finance and operations apps, not the customer engagement apps. How to foster customer loyalty through personalized experiences, Microsoft Dynamics 365 blog. Create a sense of purpose with hyper-personalized experiences, Microsoft Dynamics 365 blog. Question: a company provides installation and maintenance services to its customers. A customer calls to report that one of the devices under warranty is not working. An engineer must visit the customer site to look at the device. You need to provide the necessary information, including services tasks, to the engineer. What should you create? Option 1, case. Option 2, inspection. Option 3, service. Option 4, work order. Correct answers: work order. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the work order lifecycle in the field service module. Work orders in Dynamics 365 field service enable jobs, which should be assigned or scheduled to be created. Work orders can include service tasks which should be completed by the assigned person or team. Cases enable businesses to manage and resolve customer issues. Cases can be converted to work orders but will not include service tasks. Inspections enable users to complete questionnaires, which can be associated to work orders. Services are a stage in the work order lifecycle and can also refer to a type of product in Dynamics 365 field service. Question: a company uses Dynamics 356 Sales. You are implementing a solution that guides users with data entry. Which Dynamics 365 model-driven apps feature should you use? Option 1, business rules. Option 2, business process flows. Option 3, workflows. Option 4, data flows. Correct answers: business process flows. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of business process flows to assist with data entry. Business process flows provide a visual guide to users on the process to be followed during the life of a record and shows the data that is needed for each stage of the process. Business rules enforce requirements on the values entered in data columns. Workflows are processes that run either automatically or are started manually and perform a series of actions. Data flows are used to prepare data for import into Microsoft Dataverse. Business rules, workflows, and data flows do not guide users to follow company procedures. Question: a company uses Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. You need to locate the details for an account and the corresponding leads and opportunities with minimum effort. Which option should you choose? Option 1, advanced filter. Option 2, quick find. Option 3, advanced find. Option 4, categorized search. Correct answers: categorized search. Explanation: the item tests the candidate's knowledge of search and filter options available in Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. Categorized search is a multi-searching option that performs a search across multiple tables. The user can get the required details from multiple tables by using the categorized search. Advanced filter capabilities provide the ability to add filter conditions using details from multiple tables, but it performs a search on one table at a time. The user must perform filtering on each of the tables to get the required details. Quick Find is a searching option that allows searching one table at a time. The user must perform Quick Find search on each of the tables to get the required details. The Advanced Find option allows adding filter conditions from multiple tables but searches only one table. The user must perform the Advanced Find on each of the tables to get the required details. Question: a company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data. The company must be able to view the total amount of store revenue. You need to recommend a solution for the company. What should you recommend that the company create? Option 1, Activities. Option 2, Customer Profiles. Option 3, Measures. Option 4, Segments. Correct answers: Measures. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the use cases and capabilities of Dynamics 365 Insights data. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data uses measures to understand customer behavior and business performance. Segments allow customers to be grouped based on behavioral and transactional attributes. Customer profiles are the output of customer data that has been unified in activities or events performed by customers. Question: a company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data. You create a customer profile. You need to review information displayed on the customer profile tile. Which two pieces of information are displayed? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Option 1, Brands. Option 2, Filter. Option 3, Matching Rules. Option 4, Measures. Option 5, Segments. Correct answers: Brands, Measures. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of unified customer profiles. The customer profile tile shows the customer attributes, activity timeline, brands, and measures. The filter is available on the customer's page. Segments are created from the customer profiles based on customer attributes, but the segments associated with a customer profile are not displayed on the customer profile tile. Matching rules are used for the unification of data to create customer profiles, but the rules are not displayed on the customer profile tile. Question: a company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data. You need to enhance customer profiles after data is unified. Which two capabilities can you use? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, Activities. Option 2, Customer Journeys. Option 3, Measures. Option 4, Relationships. Option 5, Segments. Correct answers: Activities, Measures. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the use cases of and capabilities for Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data. Customer profiles are created in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data by unifying the data. Once the customer profiles are created, you can enhance the profiles by consolidating activities that represent customer interactions into the timeline and creating measures, such as total spend, that appear on the customer profile. You can use relationships to link tables by employing identifiers to help unify customer profiles. Segments are created by using the attributes of customer profiles and do not enhance the profiles. Customer Insights journeys can use the customer profiles and segments to target customers for marketing messages. A company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights journeys to run training events for its products. An attendee registers for an event. Which record type is created by default? Option 1, lead. Option 2, contact. Option 3, customer journey. Option 4, opportunity. Correct answers: contact. Explanation: this item tests the user's knowledge of event management features and capabilities. A contact record is created by default if one does not already exist. A lead record can be configured to be created. However, this is not created by default. A customer journey record and an opportunity record are not created. Question: a company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights journeys. You need to describe a customer journey to a new marketing colleague. How should you describe a customer journey? Option 1, a list of activities displayed on the customer record. Option 2, a marketing business process flow. Option 3, a visual representation of automated customer interactions. Option 4, a dashboard that displays geographic locations for website visitors. Correct answers: a visual representation of automated customer interactions. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of customer journey mapping in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Customer journeys are a visual representation of the steps required to engage with a contact. A list of activities on the customer record is a timeline, not a customer journey. A business process flow is the series of steps that guide the user through their work. Customer journeys are not a geographic map related to website visits. It is a series of steps to be taken to engage with a contact. Question: a company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. The company needs to determine when a lead is sales ready. What should you configure? Option 1, Customer Journey. Option 2, Forms. Option 3, Lead Scoring Model. Option 4, Segments. Option 5, Lead Matching Strategy. Correct answers: Lead Scoring Model. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of scoring leads in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Lead scoring tracks the interactions a lead has with Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys marketing activities. The rules in the lead scoring model calculate the score and grading of leads. Once a lead reaches the sales-ready threshold, the lead can be passed to sales. Customer journeys can send marketing email messages. They cannot be used to pass a lead to sales. Forms can capture leads. Lead scoring rules can include form interactions to increase the lead score, but forms cannot pass a lead to sales. Segments are used to create groups of contacts that meet demographic and behavioral criteria. Segments are not used to pass leads to sales. The lead matching strategy is used to decide whether a new lead is created or an existing lead is updated. Question: a company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. The company needs to send marketing email messages to contacts who opt into the company newsletter on the Contact Us form. What should you use? Option 1, Dynamic Marketing List. Option 2, Dynamic Segment. Option 3, Static Segment. Option 4, Subscription List. Correct answers: Subscription List. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of using segments and subscription lists to target customers in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Subscription lists can be added as options on a marketing page to allow contacts to opt in for marketing communications. Subscription lists can be used in a customer journey to include the contacts to be sent the email newsletter. Dynamic marketing lists are not used within Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Dynamic marketing lists can only be used by the campaign functionality in the Dynamics 365 Sales app. Dynamic segments and static segments cannot be added as an opt-in option on a marketing form. Question: a company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. The company needs to track contacts that have opened a specific web form. Which feature should you use? Option 1, Marketing List. Option 2, Subscription List. Option 3, Segment. Option 4, Customer Journey. Correct answers: Segment. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of segments to track contacts that have opened a specific web form. A segment can include contacts based on behavioral actions such as opening a web form. A marketing list, a subscription list, and a customer journey cannot automatically include contacts when a web form has been opened. Question: a company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. The company plans to use a lead scoring model. What is the purpose of a lead scoring model? Option 1, estimate how much a lead is likely to spend. Option 2, count the number of segments that a lead belongs to. Option 3, help define when a lead is likely to be sales ready. Option 4, estimate the probability that a lead will make a purchase. Correct answers: help define when a lead is likely to be sales ready. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of how a lead scoring model automatically adds or subtracts points from the score for leads in each model. At a defined threshold, the lead is set to sales ready. A lead scoring model assigns points for actions taken by leads, and at a defined threshold, the lead is set to sales ready. A lead scoring model does not provide an estimate of how much a lead is likely to spend. A lead scoring model does not count the number of segments that a lead belongs to. A lead scoring model does not provide an estimate of the probability that a lead will make a purchase. Question: a company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. The company wants to send an email to all contacts in a specific city using a customer journey. The contacts list needs to automatically update each time a new contact for that city is created. What should you use? Option 1, Dynamic Segment. Option 2, Dynamic Marketing List. Option 3, Static Segment. Option 4, Static Marketing List. Correct answers: Dynamic Segment. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of how marketing segments are created and which type of list can be used in customer journeys. A dynamic segment will automatically add users to the segment when they meet a specific criterion, such as city. Dynamic marketing lists cannot be used in customer journeys. Static segments and static marketing lists will not add new contacts to the list automatically. Question: a company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. You need to manage marketing efforts. Which two capabilities can you use? Each correct answer presents part of a complete solution. Option 1, Prioritize leads. Option 2, Organize events. Option 3, Generate quotes. Option 4, Manage sequences. Option 5, Manage stakeholders. Correct answers: Prioritize leads. Organize events. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of managing marketing efforts by prioritizing leads and organizing events. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys can be used to prioritize leads. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys can be used to organize events. Quote generation is available within Dynamics 365 Sales and is not available in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Sequences help sales managers enforce best practices by allowing the configuration of standard activities to be followed by the sales team. Management of stakeholders and setup of the sales team is a feature available by default within the Dynamics 365 Sales module. Question: a company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. You need to request event feedback from attendees. What should you use? Option 1, Dynamics 365 Guides. Option 2, Customer Voice. Option 3, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Data. Option 4, Marketing Calendars. Correct answers: Customer Voice. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of a marketing-related app, Customer Voice. Customer Voice is a Microsoft survey tool that can be purchased separately. It is also bundled with applications such as Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys and Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Dynamics 365 Guides is a mixed reality application for Microsoft HoloLens that helps operators learn during the flow of work by providing holographic instructions for when and where they are needed. Dynamics 365 Guides is available as an add-on for Dynamics 365 Field Service. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Data is a customer data platform provided by Microsoft that allows customer data to be brought together and enhanced for actionable insights. Marketing calendars provide a calendar-style view which allows users to see and create time-based items like journeys, events, sessions, and appointments. A company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Data. The company creates customer profiles. You need to create measures based on the customer profiles. Which two measures can you create? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, Brand affiliation. Option 2, Interests. Option 3, Loyalty points earned. Option 4, Purchase activities. Option 5, Total transaction value. Correct answers: loyalty points earned, total transaction value. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of measures. Measures can be created from customer attributes and activities. Loyalty points earned in total transaction value are some of the template measures for which you can create measures. Activities are interactions, such as purchases, shown in the timeline. You can create measures using activities, but activities are not measures. Brands and interests are enrichments that are added to customer profiles based on similar customer profiles. A company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data. The company requires a unified view of customer interactions and purchases shown in the customer profile in chronological order. You need to recommend a solution to the company. Which solution should you recommend to the company? Option 1: build measures. Option 2: build relationships. Option 3: create an enrichment. Option 4: define customer activities. Correct answers: define customer activities. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of customer activities in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data. Customer activities allow actions and events performed by the customer to be visible on the customer profile. The customer profile can be enriched with additional data from Microsoft and machine learning models. However, this will not be a part of the timeline or be visible on the profile in a chronological order. Measures allow the unified data from the customer profile to be used to assess business performance and customer behaviors but are not visible on the customer profile's timeline. Relationships are a part of unifying the data to create a customer profile. A company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data. You plan to use AI to enhance customer data. You need to create your own machine learning model to create predictions to use with customer profiles. Which service should you select? Option 1: Microsoft Azure AI Services. Option 2: Microsoft Azure Databricks. Option 3: Microsoft Azure Machine Learning. Option 4: Microsoft Power Platform AI Builder. Correct answers: Microsoft Azure Machine Learning. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of predictions. Custom models created with Azure Machine Learning can be imported and used in Customer Insights data predictions. The pre-built and customizable AI models in Azure AI Services, formerly named Azure Cognitive Services, cannot be used with Customer Insights data. Power Platform AI Builder models are not available in Customer Insights data. Azure Databricks and Apache Spark-based machine learning platform cannot be used with Customer Insights data. A company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights journeys for its multi-channel campaigns. The company recently implemented Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data. The company wants to use the unified data within Customer Insights to identify group contacts with brand affiliations to a subsidiary brand. You need to recommend a solution for the company. Which two data sets should you recommend? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1: activity. Option 2: enrichment. Option 3: measure. Option 4: segment. Correct answers: enrichment, segment. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of segments and enrichment in Customer Insights data. Segments in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data are used to group contacts based on demographics and transactional or behavioral attributes. Customer profiles can be enriched to include brand affiliations, and this can be a factor when creating a segment. Activities and measures can also be created, which provide additional insights. However, activities and measures will not enable brand affiliations to be identified or allow creation of a group of contacts. A company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data. The company needs to combine data from multiple data sources into a single master data set. Which feature should you use? Option 1: segment. Option 2: measures. Option 3: data enrichment. Option 4: data unification. Correct answers: data unification. Explanation: this question tests the candidate's knowledge of Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data, which is a marketing-related app. Data unification is the process of combining disparate data sources into a single dataset. A segment is used to group customers based on various attributes. Measures are used to help understand customer behaviors and business performance. Data enrichment is used to add information to existing customer profiles. A segmented measures and data enrichment are not used to combine data. It uses Dynamics 365 customer service and omnichannel for customer service. The company wants to enhance the support experience for customers. You need to describe how omnichannel for customer service uses channels to communicate with customers. Which two native channels should you describe? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, SMS. Option 2, email. Option 3, survey. Option 4, Microsoft Teams. Correct answers, SMS, survey. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of omnichannel for customer service. Omnichannel for customer service can configure multiple channels to communicate with customers, including text messages, SMS. Dynamics 365 customer voice surveys can be configured to start at the end of an omnichannel conversation. Email is not a channel configured in omnichannel. Emails are configured in Dynamics 365 customer service. Microsoft Teams is used to connect to other support teams within the organization, and agents can collaborate with internal users by using Teams chat. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service and omnichannel for customer service. You need to identify the role of the omnichannel supervisor. Which action can only an omnichannel supervisor perform? Option 1, manage agent scripts. Option 2, monitor agent interactions. Option 3, configure routing for work items. Option 4, reassign work items to other agents in their group. Correct answers: monitor agent interactions. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the omnichannel supervisor experience. The Omnichannel Ongoing Conversations dashboard enables the omnichannel supervisor to monitor agent interactions. The omnichannel administrator configures routing for work items. A user who is assigned the Productivity Tools Administrator security role performs management of agent scripts. Omnichannel agents can reassign work items to other agents in their group. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. A coworker manually adds a case to your personal queue by mistake. You need to redirect the case to the correct team's queue. Which two options can you use? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, apply routing rule. Option 2, assign the case to the team. Option 3, pick the case. Option 4, release the case. Option 5, route the case and select the team's queue. Correct answers: apply routing rule. Route the case and select the team's queue. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of using queues to manage work in Dynamics 365 customer service. Dynamics 365 customer service includes automatic case routing based on rule sets. The apply routing rule will add the case to the correct queue based on the rules defined. The route case button allows the user to select a queue to route the case to. Assigning a case changes the owner of the case, it does not change the queue the case is in. Picking the case assigns the case to you and marks the case as being worked on in the queue. Releasing the case removes the case from the queue, leaving the case not in any queue. Sharing cases does not change the queue the case is in. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. A policy requires that some customers be assisted by a specific support team. Which two components should you configure? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, service level agreement. Option 2, queue. Option 3, default entitlement. Option 4, routing rule set. Correct answers: queue, routing rule set. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of how queues are used with routing rules to assign cases to the appropriate team. Queues are used to organize work and group support requests. You create a queue for cases to be handled by the specific support team. Routing rule sets are used to route cases to the appropriate agent or queue. You create a routing rule set to route cases for the relevant customers to the relevant queue. Service level agreements provide targets for when a support request must be responded to or resolved. Entitlements track the amount of support a customer is allowed. Service level agreements and entitlements are not relevant to who provides the support. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. An employee recently created a knowledge article that does not appear in the Power Pages portal. What should you do to fix the issue? Option 1, publish the article. Option 2, approve the article. Option 3, add at least one keyword to the article. Option 4, add at least one category to the article. Correct answers, publish the article. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the Dynamics 365 customer service knowledge article publication process. Only published articles are shown in a portal. Approved articles are not shown in a portal. Keywords are not necessary for an article to be shown in a portal. Categories are not necessary for an article to be shown in a portal. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. Customers report that it takes too long for agents to resolve their cases. The company implements a 2-hour response time requirement for all cases. You need to add a timer to the case record that displays the amount of time remaining. Which feature should you use? Option 1, Timeline. Option 2, Business Process Flow. Option 3, Service Level Agreements. Option 4, Entitlements. Correct answers, Service Level Agreements. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of timers used with Service Level Agreements, SLAs. A Service Level Agreement, SLA, can define case resolution time and track time spent on the record. The timeline displays activities and notes pertaining to the case. A Business Process Flow provides guidance on how to resolve a case. Timeline and Business Process Flow do not help track time spent on the case. Entitlements do not track specific cases, so a timer cannot be used. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. Per company requirement, customers can create a maximum number of cases per year. The number varies per customer. How should you configure this requirement? Option 1, use the default entitlement. Option 2, create an entitlement template. Option 3, define a key performance indicator, KPI, for a service level agreement, SLA. Option 4, create an entitlement. Correct answers, create an entitlement. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of entitlements, a customer service component. An entitlement records the number of cases or amount time a customer is allowed. Default entitlement can be used for customers, but the number of cases allowed is the same for all customers. Entitlement templates are used while creating entitlements and cannot be linked to a customer. SLA KPI is a measure used on SLAs and is not relevant to entitlements. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. The company and a customer sign a support agreement that specifies a maximum number of cases per year with a 2-hour response time. Which 2 records should you create? Each correct answer presents part of a complete solution. Option 1, Case. Option 2, Entitlement. Option 3, Resource. Option 4, Entitlement Template. Option 5, Service Level Agreement. Correct answers: Entitlement, Service Level Agreement. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of how entitlements and service level agreements, SLAs, are used together in Dynamics 365 customer service. An entitlement specifies the amount of support a customer is entitled to. An entitlement can either be for several cases or for an amount of time. Entitlements are for a defined date range and can be associated with contacts and products. Entitlements can have their own service level agreement and can be restricted to specified channels. Entitlements are the way a support agreement or contract is recorded and tracked in Dynamics 365 customer service. A service level agreement, SLA, is the agreed amount of time to respond to or to fix a case. There are 2 SLA key performance indicators, KPIs, included with Dynamics 365 customer service: first response by and resolve by. A case captures a problem, question, or issue for a customer. Cases are individual instances of support. Resources are people, equipment, and facilities that are scheduled for service activities. Entitlement templates contain information about standard support contracts but are not linked to a customer. You use an entitlement template to quickly create entitlements for customers. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. The company has several product lines and provides levels of service tiers to their customers. Each product line has several customer service representatives per country/region. You need to ensure representatives work on the correct cases. Which 2 steps should you take? Each correct answer presents part of a complete solution. Option 1, create queue records. Option 2, create queue item records. Option 3, configure a routing rule set record. Option 4, configure a record creation and update rule record. Correct answers: create queue records. Configure a routing rule set record. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of queues in Dynamics 365 customer service. A queue must be configured to allow representatives skilled with the different product lines to view cases available to be worked on. Routing rule set records must be created to define how cases should be routed to the queues created. A queue item record is created when a case record is added to the queue. Queue items cannot be created manually. The record creation feature allows records to be created based on defined rules. This will not allow representatives to focus on the correct cases. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. The company needs to provide a list of active cases in a Microsoft Excel workbook. The current set of active cases must be displayed in the workbook. Which process should you use to create the workbook? Option 1, export to Excel as a static worksheet. Option 2, export to Excel as a dynamic worksheet. Option 3, open in Excel online. Option 4, export using an Excel template. Correct answers: export to Excel as a dynamic worksheet. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of how Microsoft Excel can be integrated with Dynamics 365 apps. Export to Excel as dynamic worksheet creates a file with a snapshot of records. Each time the file is opened, the user can select to refresh the data so that the current set of active cases is shown. Export to Excel as static worksheet creates a file with a snapshot of records. It does not get updated each time the file is opened. Opening in Excel online opens records so that they can be edited and then saved. It does not create a file that can be distributed. Export using an Excel template creates a file with a snapshot of records using a previously uploaded template. It does not get updated each time the file is opened. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. The company needs to provide a support contract for a customer with a specified amount of support for a specific time frame. What should you use? Option 1, entitlement. Option 2, customer service schedule. Option 3, agreement. Option 4, timer. Correct answers: entitlement. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of entitlements in Dynamics 365 customer service. An entitlement specifies the amount of support a customer is entitled to. An entitlement can either be for a number of cases or for an amount of time in minutes. Entitlements are for a defined date range. Entitlements can optionally have their own service level agreement. A customer service schedule defines the business hours the organization is available to provide support to customers. An agreement is used in Dynamics 365 Field Service to generate work orders for preventative maintenance on a scheduled basis. An agreement does not include the amount of support that is provided. A timer is a control used with service level agreements, SLA, to show the amount of time remaining for an individual SLA key performance indicator, KPI. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. The company plans to implement omnichannel for customer service to assist customer service agents. You need to identify the capabilities of omnichannel for customer service. Which capability is provided only with omnichannel for customer service? Option 1, sessions. Option 2, scheduler. Option 3, IoT devices. Option 4, real-time notifications. Correct answers: real-time notifications. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of omnichannel for customer service. Omnichannel for customer service enables an organization to provide consistent support to customers no matter which channel the customers use. With omnichannel, customers can use chat, SMS, and social media to communicate with customer service agents. As new conversations are received, omnichannel notifies in real time an agent to handle the conversation. Sessions are available with omnichannel but are also available with the customer service workspace, thus are a feature not solely available with omnichannel. IoT devices are a feature of connected customer service. Scheduling is a feature of service scheduling. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. The company plans to use queues to manage case workload. Which two ways can you structure the queues? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, by the time the case is created, such as today, yesterday, and last week. Option 2, by customer priority, such as gold, silver, and bronze. Option 3, by agent skills such as Microsoft Word, Dynamics 365 Sales, and Active Directory. Option 4, by resolved and unsolved cases. Correct answers, by customer priority, such as gold, silver, and bronze, by agent skills such as Microsoft Word, Dynamics 365 Sales, and Active Directory. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of using queues to route cases. Priority ensures that cases are dealt with based on the assigned priority levels. Skills is a common way of routing cases. Creation time is not an effective way to route cases. Queue names would need updating, otherwise the name would not provide context to the contents. Resolved cases do not stay in queues. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. The customer service manager wants to limit the number of cases a customer can have for a time period. Which feature should you recommend? Option 1, routing rules. Option 2, business process flows. Option 3, service level agreements. Option 4, entitlements. Correct answers: entitlements. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of entitlements and how they can be used when working with cases. An entitlement can limit the number of cases per customer. Routing rules route cases to agents. Business process flows can guide agents on how to resolve cases. Service level agreements, SLAs, define what should happen for specific cases. Routing rules of business process flows and SLAs do not define the number of cases for a customer. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. You approve a knowledge article. Which two actions happen next? Each answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, a new version of the article is automatically created. Option 2, the article can be linked to a case. Option 3, the language for the article can be selected. Option 4, the article can be related to a product. Correct answers: the article can be linked to a case. The article can be related to a product. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of knowledge management in Dynamics 365 customer service. An article can be searched for and linked to a case when it is unapproved. Articles do not need to be published to be linked to a case. Articles can be related to products in the product catalog at any stage of the knowledge article lifecycle. New versions of an article are not created on approval but when a user selects the option to create a new major or minor version. You approve the current version of an article. The language for the article is locked after the article is first saved. You can create translations of an existing article for different languages. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. You configure a Power Automate cloud flow by using a template to send a customer voice survey when a case is resolved. You need to view the customer survey response from the customer. In which two locations can you view the customer response in the Dynamics 365 Customer Service Hub app? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, queue. Option 2, timeline on the case form. Option 3, customer service historical analytics dashboards. Option 4, related activities on the account form. Option 5, customer service operations dashboard. Correct answers: timeline on the case form, related activities on the account form. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the use cases of Dynamics Customer Voice for customer service. The Customer Voice survey invitation and response are stored as activities in Microsoft Dataverse and are set regarding the case. The Customer Voice response will be displayed in the timeline of the case and will also be rolled up and displayed in the timeline of the account. Customer Voice survey responses are not added to queues. The dashboards do not show survey response details. A company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Service. You configure entitlements and service level agreements, SLAs, named SLA1 and SLA2. You link SLA1 to all the entitlements and configure SLA2 as the default. When is SLA2 used? Option 1, only for cases that use the default entitlement. Option 2, only for cases that are linked to an entitlement. Option 3, only for cases that are not linked to an entitlement. Option 4, for all cases. Correct answers: only for cases that are not linked to an entitlement. Explanation: this question tests the candidate's knowledge of how SLAs work with entitlements. When a case is not linked to an entitlement, then the default SLA is used. When a case is linked to an entitlement that has an SLA linked to it, then the SLA on the entitlement is used. The default SLA is not used on all cases, it is only used when a case is not linked to an entitlement or when the case is linked to an entitlement that is not linked to an SLA. A company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Service. You need to convert records to a case. Which two tables should you use? Each correct answer presents part of a solution. Option 1, email. Option 2, lead. Option 3, opportunity. Option 4, quote. Option 5, task. Correct answers: email, task. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of working with customer service components to convert records to a case. Dynamics 365 Customer Service supports creating records from a select list of activity types which include email and task. Users will not be able to convert a lead of opportunity or quote to a case out of the box. A company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Service. You need to train a new agent on the features of knowledge management. Which two topics should you include? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Option 1, create knowledge articles. Option 2, use the knowledge search pane. Option 3, integrate knowledge articles by using Copilot Studio. Option 4, manage knowledge article categories. Correct answers: create knowledge articles. Use the knowledge search pane. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of a customer service component, knowledge management capabilities. Agents can create knowledge articles. Agents will need to know how to use the knowledge search pane. Agents will not need to know how to create an integration with Copilot Studio. This would be the job for an administrator. Article categories are managed by an administrator, not an agent. A company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Voice. The company needs to assemble a report for customer feedback related to a specific department. Which feature should you use? Option 1, Customer Profiles. Option 2, Projects. Option 3, Swim Lanes. Option 4, Measure Builder. Correct answers: Projects. Explanation: this item tests a candidate's knowledge of customer voice projects. A project is a feature of customer voice, which is used to group surveys for analysis. Customer Profile and Measure Builder are features of Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data. They do not analyze customer feedback or provide feedback reports. A swim lane is a feature of customer journeys in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights journeys and does not provide reports on customer feedback. A company uses Dynamics 365 Customer Engagement apps. You need to view the history of your interactions with a customer with minimum effort. Which option should you use? Option 1, Timeline. Option 2, Activities View. Option 3, Quick Find. Option 4, Advanced Find. Correct answers: Timeline. Explanation: the item tests the candidate's knowledge of timeline control and options for locating and filtering data. Timeline displays activities related to a record in the form A, which provides a way to view all the interactions. Filter options need to be applied to the view to display all the activities related to a customer. A search needs to be performed on the activities view to find all the related activity records of a customer. A query needs to be defined in advanced find to view all the related activity records for a customer. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service and Customer Service. Company technicians use an app to document repairs to products. The technicians must be able to capture images of the repaired product directly from within the app and associate the image with the repair order while in the field. You need to configure the capture capability. Which feature or product should you configure? Option 1, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Voice. Option 2, Microsoft Feedback Hub. Option 3, Microsoft Forms. Option 4, Inspections. Correct answers: inspections. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of using inspections in the Dynamics 365 Field Service module. Feedback can be collected by using different products provided within the Microsoft ecosystem. Each product addresses a different audience and is designed for a different purpose. The inspections feature is designed specifically for the use of field service technicians and includes the ability to capture images and operate in offline mode, which enhances the technician and customer experience. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service to manage the services provided to its customers. The company sends engineers to complete installations on site. Before each installation, engineers must complete a safety protocol questionnaire. You need to recommend a solution that the company can use to create questionnaires. Which product or feature should you recommend? Option 1, Dynamics 365 Customer Voice. Option 2, Microsoft Forms. Option 3, Inspections. Option 4, Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Correct answers: inspections. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of inspections in field service. Dynamics 365 Field Service includes inspections, which enables engineers to complete questionnaires as part of a work order. Surveys can be created via Dynamics 365 Customer Voice, but it will not automatically associate a survey with a work order. Microsoft Forms is a feedback and survey authoring tool. However, Microsoft Forms is not included in Dynamics 365 Field Service, and the responses cannot be linked to a work order. Dynamics 365 Customer Service is not used for sending engineers to sites. It handles service and support from the physical location of the company. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service to monitor IoT devices. Some IoT devices are reporting issues. You need to determine the cause for the reported issues. What should you check? Option 1, Incident Type. Option 2, IoT Alert. Option 3, Case. Option 4, Work Order. Correct answers: IoT Alert. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of monitoring IoT devices using connected field service. Issues reported by IoT devices are stored in IoT Alert records, so this is where the data is stored. An incident type record is not created when IoT devices report an issue. Incident types are used as service templates for work orders. A case record is not created when IoT devices report an issue. Cases are used to record requests for service or help from customers. A work order is not created when IoT devices report an issue. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. You need to indicate that a work order has been completed and reviewed. Which status should you use? Option 1, Completed. Option 2, Qualified. Option 3, Posted. Option 4, Resolved. Correct answers: posted. Explanation: the item tests the candidate's knowledge of the work order lifecycle. A resource manager or supervisor will set the status of the work order as posted, after reviewing and verifying the completed work order. The completed status of the work order only indicates that the work order has been completed by the technician. The qualified status applies to the lead record when a potential lead has been identified and not the work order. The resolved status applies to a case record when a customer problem has been solved and not the work order. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. You need to manually create work orders for delivery of service at customer locations. Which two fields must be populated to create a work order? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Option 1, Billing Account. Option 2, Incident Type. Option 3, Service Account. Option 4, Service Territory. Option 5, Work Order Type. Correct answers: Service Account, Work Order Type. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of creating new work orders. Work orders can contain a large amount of information relating to the location and type of work to be performed, as well as the customer's preferences to be considered when scheduling the work order. However, only a few fields are mandatory, and there is logic that pre-fills fields from the selected account and work order type. The billing account, service territory, and price list are filled from the service account and work order type. Because Dynamics 365 Field Service has to handle many different service scenarios, only the service account, work order type, and price list are required to be able to create a new work order. The work order status defaults to open, unscheduled. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. Engineers travel to sites where there is little to no internet connectivity. Engineers must record the results of safety checks using a survey. What should you configure? Option 1, Inspections. Option 2, Microsoft Customer Voice. Option 3, Incident Type. Option 4, Work Order. Correct answers: Inspections. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of inspections. Inspections can be configured to be completed for each work order and are available in the Dynamics 365 Field Service mobile app in offline mode. Customer Voice allows surveys to be completed and can be configured to be associated with a field service work order, but is not available in offline mode. Incident types define the tasks, products, and effort that should be added to a work order. Incident types will not allow engineers to complete surveys. Work orders define the work that must be completed. Work orders will not allow engineers to complete surveys. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. Service technicians need to use the Inspections feature. You create inspection records with the appropriate questions and checklists. What should you do next? Option 1, link the inspection records to work orders. Option 2, add the inspection records to service accounts. Option 3, link the inspection records to service task types. Option 4, add the inspection records to each resource booking that needs an inspection. Correct answers: link the inspection records to service task types. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of linking inspections to service task types. Inspections must be linked to service task types. Inspections cannot be linked to work orders, service task types, or bookings. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. The company is planning to perform inspections as part of the associated work orders. Which two are capabilities of inspections? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, Device Readings. Option 2, Functional Location. Option 3, Offline Support. Option 4, Schedule Assistant. Option 5, Version Management. Correct answers: Offline Support, Version Management. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the Inspections feature in Dynamics 365 Field Service. Inspections can be performed offline, and the results synced when internet connectivity is re-established. Inspections can be edited and published with new versions created to adapt to process and business changes. Telemetry readings are available for IoT devices in connected field service. Inspections capture responses to questions and cannot read devices. Functional locations are used with customer assets to specify the exact location of an asset at a customer site. An inspection can be associated with a customer asset, but not a functional location. The Schedule Assistant is used for scheduling work orders. An inspection can be added to a work order service task, but scheduling is performed on the work order, not an inspection. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. The company needs qualified engineers dispatched at the appropriate time to resolve customers' issues. What should you use? Option 1, Knowledge Base. Option 2, Schedule Assistant. Option 3, Work Orders. Option 4, Inspections. Correct answers: Schedule Assistant. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the scheduling methods Dynamics 365 Field Service provides. The Schedule Assistant offers suggestions of potential resources and time slots to schedule an item for. Knowledge articles address issues customers encounter while using an organization's products or services and can include solutions to issues as well as product or feature documentation. Work orders contain information about work that needs to be completed. They contain resource requirements that can be scheduled within Dynamics 365 Field Service. Inspections are digital forms that technicians use to answer a list of questions as part of a work order. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. The company needs technicians with a specific certification to be booked for an incident type. What should you configure? Option 1, Resource Skills. Option 2, Proficiency Model. Option 3, Resource Roles. Option 4, Resource Territory. Correct answers: Resource Skills. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the resource process. Resource skills specify a specific skill or certification that can be associated with different resources. Skills to grade the proficiency of the specified skill. However, this is not mandatory. Resource roles define the role associated with a resource within an organization. Resource territories allow the definition of which territory the resource belongs to. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. The company needs to automatically schedule resources for multiple jobs. Which feature should you use? Option 1, Resource Scheduling Optimization. Option 2, Schedule Assistant. Option 3, Schedule Board. Option 4, Resource Scheduling. Correct answers: Resource Scheduling Optimization. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of resource scheduling optimization. Resource scheduling optimization will automatically schedule resources for multiple jobs. Schedule Assistant and the Schedule Board can help with a single job but not multiple jobs. Resource scheduling is the area where scheduling is set up. It does not automatically schedule resources. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. The company needs to create a service history for all work orders performed on a machine. What should you use? Option 1, Customer Asset. Option 2, IoT Device. Option 3, Service Account. Option 4, Work Order Product. Correct answers: Customer Asset. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of customer asset management in Dynamics 365 Field Service. A customer asset represents equipment installed and supported at a customer location. You can create work orders for an asset to service the asset and thus create a service history for the asset showing all work performed on the asset. An IoT device is a separate record. An IoT device can be associated with a customer asset. A customer asset can be a single IoT device or has multiple IoT sensors each sending telemetry data. The service account is the customer location where the work orders are performed. The work order product has the products and parts used when servicing an asset. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. The company needs to create resources. Which two resource types can they create? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Option 1, Crew. Option 2, Warehouse. Option 3, Pool. Option 4, Organizational Unit. Correct answers: Crew Pool. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of resource types used in scheduling. Crews are a resource type that can be scheduled. Pools are a resource type used as a placeholder until a defined resource is selected. Warehouse is a field on the resource record that defines where parts will come from. Organizational units define where the resource will start/end their day at. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. The company schedules maintenance for a customer. Which two components are required? Each correct answer presents part of a complete solution. Option 1, Customer Assets. Option 2, incident types. Option 3, resources. Option 4, service tasks. Option 5, work orders. Correct answers: resources, work orders. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the resource and scheduling process in Dynamics 365 Field Service. Field service scheduling is the process of booking resources for work orders. Resources are required for scheduling. Field service scheduling is the process of booking one or more resources against a work order. Work orders are required for scheduling. Customer assets are equipment at customer locations where work orders are performed. Customer assets can be associated with work orders. Incident types can be used to make the creation of work orders easier and quicker. Incident types are template work orders. Work orders can be created without an incident type. Service tasks can be added to work orders and is the checklist that the technician will perform during a work order. Customer assets, incident types, and service tasks are not needed to schedule the work order. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. The scheduling team needs work orders to be scheduled overnight by the system. Which scheduling option should you configure? Option 1, Scheduling Assistant. Option 2, Resource Scheduling Optimization. Option 3, Service Scheduling. Option 4, Schedule Board. Correct answers: Resource Scheduling Optimization. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the different scheduling options, including Resource Scheduling Optimization. Resource Scheduling Optimization automatically matches resources and demands by criteria and business goals. Schedulers manually use the scheduling assistant to view recommended times and resources for bookings. Service scheduling is currently only available in Dynamics 365 Customer Service and is used to plan and schedule service activities. Manual scheduling uses the schedule board to view recommended times and resources for bookings. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. You create a work order for a customer who requests a specific technician. Where should you record the request? Option 1, Bookable Resource. Option 2, Work Order. Option 3, Resource Preference. Option 4, Requirement Characteristic. Correct answers: Resource Preference. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of scheduling capabilities and features that are part of resource schedule optimization. Resource preference records are used to specify which resources should be used when scheduling. A bookable resource represents something that can be scheduled. A work order contains details of a job that needs to be completed. A requirement characteristic details the skills that a resource must possess and not a specific resource. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. You need to describe the capabilities of a schedule board to a new dispatcher. How should you describe a schedule board? Option 1, displays active work orders. Option 2, displays upcoming appointments for technicians. Option 3, generates resource requirements. Option 4, displays a list of customer assets. Correct answers: displays upcoming appointments for technicians. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of scheduling in Dynamics 365 Field Service. The schedule board shows the schedule for all technicians. Active work orders display in the work orders view, not the schedule board. Resource requirements are created when a work order is created. The schedule board does not display the customer assets, it displays the list of work orders related to the assets. A company uses Dynamics 365 Field Service. You need to indicate that a work order is ready for billing. What should you set the status to? Option 1, Scheduled. Option 2, Approved. Option 3, Completed. Option 4, Posted. Correct answers: Posted. Explanation: this question tests the candidate's knowledge of the work order lifecycle. When a work order is set to posted, an invoice is generated. When a work order is scheduled, a related resource booking is created. The work has not yet been performed. Approved is not a status for work orders. Approved is a status for time entries. When the completed status is set, it signifies the work is complete but not ready for invoicing. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales Insights. You need to generate action cards. Which feature should you use? Option 1, Auto Capture. Option 2, Assistant. Option 3, Predictive Lead Scoring. Option 4, Talking Points. Correct answers, Assistant. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the Sales Insights Auto Capture feature. The assistant combines and analyzes data to generate action cards. Action cards help to ensure that you do not miss deadlines or appointments and notify you of important customer information. Auto Capture suggests email messages and appointments from your Outlook account inside Dynamics 365 Sales. Predictive Lead Scoring helps you to focus on revenue generation efforts by providing a score to prioritize efforts on quality leads. Talking Points displays topics to start a conversation with your customers, such as sports, vacation, family, or entertainment. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales and Microsoft Copilot for Sales. You need to identify the features of Copilot for Sales. Which 3 features of Copilot for Sales can you use? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Option 1, Auto Capture Emails. Option 2, Prepare for Sales Meetings. Option 3, Summarize Email Conversations. Option 4, Track emails to Dynamics 365 Sales. Option 5, Use Dynamics 365 app for Outlook. Correct answers: Prepare for Sales Meetings. Summarize Email Conversations. Track emails to Dynamics 365 Sales. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Microsoft Copilot for Sales. Copilot for Sales uses AI to assist sellers through creation of email conversations and preparation documents for sales meetings. Copilot for Sales can also create records in Dynamics 365 Sales, including tracking emails, into Dynamics 365 Sales and then link the emails to records in Dynamics 365 Sales data. Auto Capture is a feature of Dynamics 365 Sales Insights that displays untracked emails in the record timeline in a Dynamics 365 Sales form. Dynamics 365 app for Outlook is a separate app that bridges the gap between Outlook and Dynamics 365 Sales data. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales to manage the sales process. You need to create an order for a new lead. Which action should you perform first? Option 1, Activate a quote. Option 2, Qualify a lead. Option 3, Create an order. Option 4, Complete open activities. Correct answers: Qualify a lead. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the Dynamics sales lifecycle, particularly creating an order from a lead. A lead must be qualified to create an opportunity from which a quote and then an order can be created. Only draft quotes can be activated. Creating an order will not create an order from the lead. Completing open activities is not required nor necessary to follow the sales process to create an order. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. You need to describe where users can access Dynamics 365 Sales data. Which 2 apps can display data natively from Dynamics 365 Sales? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, Microsoft Teams. Option 2, Microsoft Outlook. Option 3, Microsoft SharePoint Lists. Option 4, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Correct answers: Microsoft Teams, Microsoft Outlook. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of navigating to and within Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. Dynamics 365 sales data can be accessed from Microsoft Outlook with the App for Outlook add-in and from Microsoft Teams under tabs and channels. LinkedIn Sales Navigator and SharePoint can both be integrated with Dynamics 365 Sales, but these apps do not display data from Dynamics 365 Sales. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. You need to use an Export to Excel option to edit multiple records and perform analysis on the records within the Dynamics 365 Sales app. Which option should you use? Option 1, Open in Excel Online. Option 2, Static Worksheet. Option 3, Dynamic Worksheet. Option 4, Dynamic Pivot Table. Correct answers: Open in Excel Online. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of export to Excel options within Dynamics 365 Sales app. Open in Excel Online opens the Microsoft Excel file in a new window within the Dynamics 365 Sales app. Static worksheet captures a snapshot of the data. Records can be edited in Microsoft Excel but not within the Dynamics 365 Sales app. Dynamic worksheet is to get the latest data with the ability to refresh inside Microsoft Excel. You can edit the records in Excel externally but not within the Dynamics 365 Sales app. The file needs to be imported to update the changes. Dynamic Pivot Table provides the data in the form of a pivot table within Microsoft Excel. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. A user needs to view emails associated with a contact record. Which control should you recommend? Option 1, Conversation Intelligence. Option 2, Business Process Flow. Option 3, Timeline Control. Option 4, Calendar Control. Correct answers: Timeline Control. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of activities associated with a record in Dynamics 365. Timeline Control allows users to view the activity history associated with a record. The Conversation Intelligence feature allows calls made with the Microsoft Teams dialer to be called, recorded, and transcribed. Business process flows are a visual representation of a company's business process. The Calendar Control displayed scheduled activities in a calendar format. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. A user needs to view emails associated with a contact record. Which control should you recommend? Option 1, Conversation Intelligence. Option 2, Business Process Flow. Option 3, Timeline Control. Option 4, Calendar Control. Correct answers: Timeline Control. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of activities associated with a record in Dynamics 365. Timeline Control allows users to view the activity history associated with a record. The Conversation Intelligence feature allows calls made with the Microsoft Teams dialer to be called, recorded, and transcribed. Business process flows are a visual representation of a company's business process. The Calendar Control displayed scheduled activities in a calendar format. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. An employee fulfills an order. Which type of record can be created next? Option 1, Quote. Option 2, Account. Option 3, Lead. Option 4, Opportunity. Option 5, Invoice. Correct answers: Invoice. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of orders and invoices. Invoice records can be created manually or can be automatically generated on the fulfillment of an order. Quote records can be generated from an opportunity or without association to an existing opportunity record. Account records can be created manually or automatically created on the qualification of a lead record. Opportunity records can be created manually or automatically created on the qualification of a lead record. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. The company has a quote that needs to be revised. Which status should you ensure the quote is in? Option 1, Closed. Option 2, Draft. Option 3, Active. Option 4, 1. Correct answers: Active. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of a quote's lifecycle. Quotes are activated to be sent to a customer. Active makes the quote read-only. Users can revise quotes in an active status. Quotes can be in a closed status if the quote has been lost, cancelled, or revised. The quote can be reactivated but not revised. The draft status is the initial status of a quote. Quotes in a draft status can be closed or activated. Users can mark a quote as 1. This makes the quote read-only. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. The company integrates Dynamics 365 with Microsoft Teams. You need to describe to a user how opportunities display within Teams. How should you describe this? Option 1, opportunities are read-only in a Teams channel and read-only in the Dynamics application within Teams. Option 2,
opportunities can be edited in a Teams channel and are read-only in the Dynamics application within Teams. Option 3, opportunities are read-only in a Teams channel and can be edited in the Dynamics application within Teams. Option 4, opportunities can be edited in a Teams channel and edited in the Dynamics application within Teams. Correct answers: opportunities can be edited in a Teams channel and edited in the Dynamics application within Teams.
Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Microsoft Teams integration capabilities. Records shown in Teams can be edited. Records shown in Teams can be edited regardless of whether the record is shown in a Teams channel or within the Dynamics application. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. The company needs emails related to opportunities to be tracked automatically and viewable within the sales record to all Dynamics 365 users. Which feature should you use? Option 1, Auto Capture. Option 2, Dynamics 365 app for Outlook. Option 3, The Assistant. Option 4, Server-side synchronization. Correct answers: server-side synchronization. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of email capabilities in Dynamics 365. Server-side synchronization allows emails to be synced from Exchange to Dynamics 365 applications and tracked automatically against the related contact. Auto Capture provides activity suggestions for emails, but this is visible only to the email's recipient when logged in as a Dynamics 365 sales user until it is saved in Dynamics. The Dynamics 365 app for Outlook allows users to manually track emails. However, it will not automate the tracking of emails. The Assistant provides support to sellers by displaying actionable adaptive cards based on the organization's need. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. The company needs to predict revenue by using the sales pipeline forecast. Which record type is included in the values predicted? Option 1, Account. Option 2, Lead. Option 3, Opportunity. Option 4, Quote. Option 5, Sales Order. Correct answers: Opportunity. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of sales forecasting in Dynamics 365 Sales. The estimated revenue from the opportunity is used in sales pipeline forecasting. A forecast predicts how much revenue your sales team will generate. The account hierarchy can be used to break down and analyze sales forecasts, but no values from the account records are used in the forecast. Leads are not included in sales pipeline forecasting. You must qualify a lead to include the prospective customer in forecasts. Quotes are not used in sales pipeline forecasts. The related opportunity is used instead. Sales orders are not used in sales pipeline forecasts. The value of the one opportunity is used, not the value of the order. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. The company needs to show relevant messages from Microsoft Exchange Online in an opportunity record. Which sales insights feature should you use? Option 1, Notes Analysis. Option 2, Email Engagement. Option 3, Assistant. Option 4, Auto Capture. Correct answers: Auto Capture. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of sales insights. Auto Capture shows relevant untracked emails from the user's Exchange mailbox on the timeline of an opportunity. Notes Analysis suggests actions based on activities recorded against a customer. Email Engagement shows message interactions, such as clicking on links and opening attachments rather than messages. Assistant shows suggested actions and reminder cards. Notes Analysis, Email Engagement, and Assistant do not show messages from Exchange. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. The company needs to track revisions when negotiating a sale with a customer. Which record type should you use? Option 1, Opportunity. Option 2, Quote. Option 3, Product. Option 4, Sales Order. Correct answers: Quote. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the quote lifecycle in Dynamics 365 Sales. A quote contains a formal offer to the customer. You can activate a quote to lock the products and pricing. During negotiation with the customer, you can revise the quote and make changes to products and pricing.
Each revision is stored with a revision ID, and you can see the history of changes to the products and pricing.
An opportunity holds the current product and pricing details.
Any changes to the products and pricing are reflected in the value of the opportunity and no history is held. Products can be revised, but any changes to a product will be reflected in all sales records that use the product. Changes for a customer should be made on the quote, not the product. The sales order is created after the customer has agreed to the quote. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. The company tracks opportunities and needs to keep a record of business won and lost. You create an opportunity and quote for a customer. The customer decides to purchase elsewhere. How should you record this? Option 1, close the quote. Option 2, revise the quote. Option 3, close the opportunity. Option 4, delete the opportunity. Correct answers: close the quote. Explanation: this question tests the candidate's knowledge of the quote lifecycle. Closing a quote allows the user to select lost as the close status reason and to close the opportunity. This keeps a record of lost business. Revising a quote creates a new draft quote and does not change the status of the quote to lost. An opportunity with a related quote cannot be closed, the quote must be closed first. Deleting the opportunity will delete the opportunity and quote but will not keep a record of business lost. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. The customer tables in Microsoft Dataverse need to be customized to store specific customer data. Which two tables should you customize? Each correct answer presents part of a complete solution. Option 1, account. Option 2, contact. Option 3, lead. Option 4, opportunity. Correct answers: account, contact. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of customizing Dataverse. Account represents a company or organization which can be a customer. A contact represents a person who can be a customer. A lead does not represent a customer, it stores details of possible interest and cannot be used as a customer in other records. An opportunity does not represent a customer, it stores details of a potential sale and cannot be used as a customer in other records. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. The sales team needs to be updated when a contact changes jobs. What should be implemented? Option 1, Sales Insights. Option 2, Call Insights. Option 3, Conversation Intelligence. Option 4, LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Correct answers: LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of implementing LinkedIn Sales Navigator with Dynamics 365 sales. LinkedIn Sales Navigator unlocks the full sales potential of LinkedIn with a powerful set of search capabilities, visibility into extended networks, and more. Sales Insights extends the native sales app to add additional AI capabilities which improve the sales experience. Call Insights is a feature available in Customer Service Insights that allows supervisors to receive valuable information to coach agents. Conversation Intelligence is a feature available in Sales Insights that allows sales managers to receive valuable information to coach their sales teams. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. You activate a quote and present the quote to a prospect. Which two actions can you perform next? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, create an order. Option 2, edit the quote. Option 3, create an invoice. Option 4, revise the quote. Correct answers: create an order. Revise the quote. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the next steps of the sales lifecycle after a quote has been activated. The quote is marked as won and an order is created when the prospect accepts it. The quote is revised when changes are required for it. A quote cannot be edited once it has been presented to the prospect. The quote can only be revised. An invoice is created from an order, not a quote. A company uses Dynamics 365 sales. You are integrating LinkedIn Sales Navigator. What are two benefits of this integration? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, leads in Dynamics 365 sales show potential matches in LinkedIn.
Option 2, leads in Dynamics 365 Sales are automatically created. Option 3, a user can send LinkedIn in-mail messages from a Dynamics 365 Sales account record. Option 4, contact records in Dynamics 365 Sales are automatically updated from LinkedIn data. Correct answers: leads in Dynamics 365 Sales show potential matches in LinkedIn. A user can send LinkedIn in-mail messages from a Dynamics 365 Sales account record. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the benefits of integrating LinkedIn Sales Navigator. When LinkedIn Sales is integrated with Dynamics 365 Sales, it shows potential matches with LinkedIn members on lead records. When LinkedIn Sales Navigator is integrated with Dynamics 365 Sales, a user can send LinkedIn in-mail messages from an account record. LinkedIn Sales Navigator does not automatically create leads in Dynamics 365 Sales, nor does it update contacts in Dynamics 365 Sales. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. You are working with a potential customer on an opportunity. The customer has an external person advising them on the purchase of the company's products. You need to associate an external advisor with the opportunity. How should you associate the external advisor? Option 1, add the advisor to the competitor's subgrid on the opportunity form. Option 2, add the advisor to the sales team subgrid on the opportunity form. Option 3, add the advisor to the stakeholders subgrid on the opportunity form. Option 4, create a connection to the customer's territory. Correct answers: add the advisor to the stakeholders subgrid on the opportunity form. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of opportunity management in Dynamics 365 Sales. Stakeholders are a group of people involved in a deal on the customer's side and can be employees, external advisors, board members, etc. Contacts are added to the stakeholders grid on the opportunity form. Competitors represent organizations who are also offering solutions to your potential customer. The sales team is a group of users within your Dynamics 365 sales organization with whom you are collaborating on a deal. Territories are used in Dynamics 365 Sales to group customers and salespeople, typically by geographical areas. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. You need to import leads using the standard import functionality. Which two file types can you use? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, Microsoft Excel Workbook, .xlsx. Option 2, Microsoft Excel 97, Excel 2003 Workbook, .xls. Option 3, XML Spreadsheet 2003, .xml. Option 4, Text, tab delimited, .txt. Correct answers: Microsoft Excel Workbook, .xlsx, XML Spreadsheet 2003, .xml. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of using Microsoft Excel with Dynamics 365 apps. Excel Workbook, .xlsx, files and XML Spreadsheet 2003, .xml, files can be imported using the default import functionality. Excel 97, Excel 2003 Workbook, .xls, and Text, tab delimited, .txt, are not supported file types for the default import functionality. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. You qualify a lead. Which two types of records can you create next? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, Quote. Option 2, Contact. Option 3, Competitor. Option 4, Opportunity. Option 5, Stakeholder. Correct answers: Contact, Opportunity. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the lead qualification process and subsequent records created. In the default Dynamics 365 sales lifecycle, a contact record and an opportunity record can be generated on the qualification of a lead. In the default Dynamics 365 sales lifecycle, a quote record is generated from an existing opportunity, not a quote. Competitor records can be manually created and associated with an opportunity. Stakeholder records can be manually created and associated with an opportunity. A company uses Dynamics 365 Sales. You turn off auto-create records for newly qualified leads. Which three tables can you create when you qualify a lead? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, account. Option 2, opportunity. Option 3, contact. Option 4, quote. Option 5, competitor. Correct answers: account, opportunity, contact. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Dynamics 365 sales lead qualification. An account, an opportunity, and a contact can be created when a lead is qualified. A quote is not created when a lead is qualified. It is created from an opportunity. Competitors can be added to a lead, but not created when a lead is qualified. A company uses Dynamics 365 apps built on Microsoft Dataverse. What are 2 benefits of Dataverse for Dynamics 365 apps? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, connection to external data sources. Option 2, data visualization. Option 3, logic and validation. Option 4, project management. Option 5, rich metadata. Correct answers: logic and validation, rich metadata. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Microsoft Dataverse as the foundation for Dynamics 365 apps. Dataverse is a cloud data platform for apps. Dynamics 365 is built on Dataverse and leverages Dataverse capabilities including metadata and logic and validation. Connection to external data sources is used by Microsoft Power Platform. Data visualization is provided by Power BI rather than Microsoft Dataverse. Project management capabilities are provided by the Dynamics 365 Project Operations app. A company uses Dynamics 365 apps. The company needs to enable collaboration in documents with users who do not have Dynamics 365 licenses. Which Microsoft app should you integrate with Dynamics 365? Option 1, Microsoft Excel. Option 2, Microsoft Outlook. Option 3, Microsoft Teams. Option 4, Microsoft Word. Correct answers: Microsoft Teams. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the Microsoft Teams integration capabilities with Dynamics 365 apps. The integration between Microsoft Teams and Dynamics 365 enables documents to be collaborated on. The same documents that are accessible from within a Dynamics 365 record form can be accessed from within the Files table within a Teams channel. Users who do not have a Dynamics 365 license can create and edit documents, and these changes are visible in the Dynamics 365 app. Dynamics 365 apps can import data from Excel and export data into Excel worksheets. Dynamics 365 apps can generate documents using Microsoft Word templates. You cannot collaborate on documents using Dynamics 365 and Microsoft Excel or Microsoft Word. Microsoft Outlook has an add-in that allows emails to be tracked into Dynamics 365. This Outlook add-in displays relevant information for contacts and allows the user to access and update records in Dynamics 365. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. The company wants to be able to directly access all business apps. You need to recommend a way to access the apps. Which tool should you recommend? Option 1, Microsoft Power Platform Admin Center. Option 2, Office 365 Portal. Option 3, Power Apps Maker Portal. Option 4, Microsoft AppSource. Correct answers: Office 365 Portal. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of navigating customer engagement applications. The easiest way to access customer engagement applications is through a web browser on the device of a user's choice. Users can access business applications such as Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps from the Apps area of the Office 365 portal. There are other portals that allow users to configure apps such as the Power Apps Maker portal and Microsoft Power Platform Admin Center. However, these do not provide direct access to customer engagement apps. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. You need to display activities related to a record. Which component should you use? Option 1, Timeline. Option 2, Assistant. Option 3, Business Process Flow. Option 4, Details tab. Correct answers: Timeline. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Microsoft Dataverse as the foundation for Dynamics 365 apps. The timeline shows related activities. The assistant shows related action cards and not related activities. A business process flow shows the current stage in a process and not related activities. The Details tab shows a collection of columns and not related activities. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. The company plans to use Microsoft Power Platform to extend the apps and add features. Which two actions can you perform? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1: control access to Dynamics 365 data in each Dynamics 365 app. Option 2: customize the model-driven app supplied with Dynamics 365 customer engagement. Option 3: extend Microsoft Dataverse by creating tables and columns to meet the needs of your organization. Option 4: store data in the common data model. Correct answers: customize the model-driven apps supplied with Dynamics 365 customer engagement. Extend Microsoft Dataverse by creating tables and columns to meet the needs of your organization. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of Microsoft Dataverse as the foundation for Dynamics 365 apps. Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps are model-driven apps that use Microsoft Dataverse as their data platform. These model-driven apps can be customized to meet requirements. Custom tables and columns can be added to Microsoft Dataverse to meet the requirements of your organization. Security for Dynamics 365 apps is controlled by Microsoft Dataverse using security roles. The Dynamics 365 apps do not have their own security access but use the security features of Dataverse. The Common Data Model, CDM, is a set of schemas used to define the tables, columns, and relationships used in Dynamics 365 apps. CDM is not a database and does not store data. A company uses Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. You need to explain to users which record types are shared by all the Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. Which two record types are shared? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1: accounts. Option 2: appointments. Option 3: cases. Option 4: resources. Correct answers: accounts, appointments. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of customers and activities as common features of Dynamics 365 apps. Accounts are a type of customer record corresponding to organizations. Accounts are used in all the Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. Appointments are a type of activity that records the meetings you have with customers. Appointments are used in all the Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. Cases are for customer issues and are used primarily in customer service but are also available in field service and sales but not Dynamics 365 customer insights, journeys. Resources are used when scheduling and are used primarily in field service but are also available in customer service but not sales or Dynamics 365 customer insights, journeys. A company uses Dynamics 365. The company needs to understand the requirements to configure the Dynamics 365 app for Outlook. Which two requirements should you describe? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1: configuring server-side sync in Dynamics 365. Option 2: enabling the app for Outlook privilege with a security role. Option 3: installing the Microsoft Office 365 desktop apps on each user's device. Option 4: enabling Microsoft Dataverse search in Dynamics 365 administration. Correct answers: configuring server-side sync in Dynamics 365, enabling the app for Outlook privilege with a security role. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of email capabilities in Dynamics 365. The Dynamics 365 app for Outlook feature requires server-side synchronization to be configured. Users must have access to the appropriate security roles to install or use the app. Installing the Microsoft Office 365 desktop apps on each user's device is not required to use the Dynamics 365 app for Outlook. Enabling Microsoft Dataverse search in Dynamics 365 administration is not required for the app for Outlook feature. A company uses omnichannel for customer service for its customers to interact through voice, chat, and email.
The company wants to view a detailed breakdown of conversations and the conversations assigned topics. Which report or dashboard should you recommend?
Option 1, Omnichannel Historical Analytics. Option 2, Ongoing Conversation Dashboard. Option 3, Omnichannel Intraday Dashboard. Option 4, Customer Service Historical Analytics.
Correct answers: Omnichannel Historical Analytics.
Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of reporting and analytics available within Omnichannel for customer service. Omnichannel Historical Analytics provide detailed conversation and topic analytics.
Customer Service Historical Analytics is used for the analysis of AI-generated conversation topics. The Customer Service Historical Analytics report does not provide information about conversations. The intraday dashboard is used for supervisors to track the status of the contact center's KPIs. The ongoing conversation dashboard provides information about conversations that agents are managing.
Neither the intraday nor the ongoing dashboards provide a detailed breakdown of conversations, and a breakdown of conversation topics are not visible in these reports. A company uses a Dynamics 365 customer engagement app. You need to display a list of records from a table that a user can filter and sort. Which component should you use? Option 1, Chart. Option 2, Form. Option 3, Embedded Microsoft Power BI Dashboard. Option 4, View. Correct answers: View. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the built-in reporting capabilities of Dynamics 365 apps.
Views are lists of records for a table.
Users can filter the list of records and sort the data by the columns. Charts are visualizations of Dynamics 365 data.
Charts show aggregated data for a table, not a list of records.
Forms display the data columns for a single record. Power BI dashboards have visualizations of data. Power BI visuals are summarized data.
Power BI has a table visual that shows data in a table, but this table cannot be sorted by the user.
A company uses customer engagement apps in Dynamics 365. Employees use the My Open Leads view to manage their open leads.
They want to view this data graphically with drill-down capability.
You need to suggest a method that requires minimal effort. Which option should you suggest? Option 1, Charts. Option 2, Report Wizard. Option 3, Dashboard. Option 4, Microsoft Power BI. Correct answers: Charts. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of different reporting options within Dynamics 365. An employee can select the Show Chart option from the My Open Leads view and then select an existing chart.
A report would need to be created through the Report Wizard, using Chart as the format type.
This requires more effort than using the Show Chart option available from the view. A dashboard can be used to show a combination of charts and views. Reports and charts would need to be created and then be added to a dashboard. A Power BI report would need to be created and then embedded within Dynamics 365.
A company uses opportunities in Dynamics 365 sales to manage the sales pipeline.
You create an opportunity and provide the customer with a quote for a product.
The customer requests a quote for an alternative product.
You need to ensure that your customer can choose between the two quotes. What should you do? Option 1, add a new quote to the opportunity. Option 2, open the existing quote and revise the quote.
Option 3, create a new opportunity and a new quote. Option 4, add the alternative product to the opportunity and then create a new quote.
Correct answers: add a new quote to the opportunity. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of opportunities and quotes. Adding a new quote provides the second quote for the customer without affecting the sales pipeline. Revising the quote closes the first version and does not create an alternative.
Although creating a new opportunity will create an alternative quote, the sales pipeline will show a value that is too high. The potential sale to the customer is being counted twice.
This adds the costs of both quotes, and the opportunity will be too high. A company uses the Dynamics 365 sales app. As a user of the app, you need to locate accounts by using a single column. The column is not on the current view of accounts. What should you use? Option 1, Dataverse search. Option 2, edit filters. Option 3, filter by. Option 4, multi-table search. Option 5, search a view. Correct answers, edit filters. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of searching for records in Dynamics 365 apps. Dynamics 365 apps provide many different search capabilities. The click-through demo in the Learn module shows the search and filtering capabilities. The search options will search across many tables and/or columns. Filter by is only available for columns already listed in the view. Edit filters enables you to filter by using columns not in the view. A company wants to implement Dynamics 365 customer engagement. You need to explain the standard features of Microsoft Dataverse. Which two features should you describe? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Option 1, Stored procedures. Option 2, Business logic. Option 3, Security. Option 4, Microsoft Power FX. Correct answers: Business logic, Security. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of features available in Dataverse. Business rules are a Dataverse feature which enables users to adhere to business logic. Dataverse allows security to be configured at a row level and field level. Dataverse does not provide access to stored procedures. Microsoft Power FX is not a feature of Dataverse. A global company uses Dynamics 365 customer service. The company needs knowledge articles to be available in different languages on their Power Pages portal website. What should you do? Option 1, publish the article. Option 2, approve the article. Option 3, set the user's default language. Option 4, set the organization's default language. Correct answers: publish the article. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of publishing Dynamics 365 sales knowledge articles in different languages. This is a standard feature available within Dynamics 365 customer service. Articles must be published by default to be displayed on the website. Articles which are approved will allow the article to be translated. However, it will not automatically expose the article to the website. Setting the user's default language will allow users to create articles in their own language. However, it will not expose the article to the website. Setting the organization's default language will allow users to create articles in the default language of the organization. However, it will not expose the article to the website. A professional services company implements software for its customers. The company must manage resources, labor, expenses, and materials. The company plans to use a Dynamics 365 customer engagement app. You need to recommend an app. Which app should you recommend? Option 1, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Sales. Option 2, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Field Service. Option 3, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Option 4, Microsoft Dynamics 365 Project Operations. Correct answers: Microsoft Dynamics 365 Project Operations. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the use cases for Dynamics 365 customer engagement apps. Dynamics 365 Project Operations enables users to schedule and manage resources, labor, expenses, and materials. It is used to manage projects and implementations. Dynamics 365 Field Service enables companies to schedule and manage resources and provides the tools needed for field service engineers to manage work orders. However, it does not manage expenses. Dynamics 365 Sales and Dynamics 365 Customer Service do not allow management of resources, labor, expenses, and materials. A sales team needs to receive notifications of activities as they approach their due dates. Which feature should you configure? Option 1, Call Insights. Option 2, Conversation Intelligence. Option 3, Assistant. Option 4, Email Engagement. Correct answers: Assistant. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the Dynamics 365 Sales Assistant feature. Assistant analyzes all the data at its disposal and generates a collection of action cards. Call Insights is a feature available in Customer Service Insights that allows supervisors to receive valuable information to coach agents. Conversation Intelligence is a feature available in Sales Insights that allows sales managers to receive valuable information to coach their sales teams. Email Engagement helps users create more effective email messages and learn how contacts are interacting with them. You have qualified a lead in Dynamics 365 Sales. Which two actions should you perform next in the sales lifecycle? Each correct answer presents part of a complete solution. Option 1, add products. Option 2, add a quote. Option 3, create a sales order. Option 4, present offer to the customer. Correct answers: add products, add a quote. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of opportunity management in Dynamics 365 Sales. You should add products to the newly created opportunity for your solution that meet the customer's requirements. This prices the opportunity. You should add a quote to the opportunity. This action creates a quote and copies the details and products from the opportunity to the quote. Creating a quote enables you to present your offer to the customer. You should only create a sales order when the customer accepts the quote. You should present the offer to the customer from an activated quote. An activated quote locks in product pricing. You need to enable customer registrations for a webinar and manage a webinar. Which Dynamics 365 app provides these capabilities? Option 1, Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Option 2, Dynamics 365 Field Service. Option 3, Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Option 4, Dynamics 365 Sales. Correct answers: Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of event management in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys contains functionality to manage events including webinars. Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys enables customers to register for the webinar and can track attendance and send automated communications to the customer. Dynamics 365 Customer Service enables customer service agents to resolve customer issues with the least effort. Customer service does not include functionality to manage events. Dynamics 365 Field Service enables field technicians to deliver support activities at customer locations. Field Service does not manage events. Dynamics 365 Sales enables sellers to engage with customers and win more sales. Sales does not contain functionality to manage events. You need to resolve a common customer issue while minimizing effort. What should you use? Option 1, Entitlement. Option 2, Knowledge Article. Option 3, Recent Cases. Option 4, Business Process Flow. Correct answers: Knowledge Article. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of knowledge management in Dynamics 365 Customer Service. Knowledge articles hold information useful to agents and customers in resolving their issues. Knowledge articles are created for commonly experienced problems and issues. An entitlement specifies the amount of support a customer is entitled to and optionally their service level agreement, SLA. An entitlement does not help an agent in resolving the issue. The Recent Cases pane displays the most recent cases for a customer. It does not show similar cases or help the agent in resolving the issue. A Business Process Flow assists the agent in the next steps to perform on a case but does not help the agent in resolving the issue. You need to use the segments created in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data to target customer journeys in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Which two actions should you perform in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data? Each correct answer presents part of a complete solution. Option 1, Define measures. Option 2, Enrich data. Option 3, Load data from Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Option 4, Schedule data refreshes. Option 5, Unify data. Correct answers: Load data from Dynamics 365 Customer Insights Journeys. Unify data. Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of the process for creating customer profiles in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights data.
To target contacts within the segments created in Dynamics 365 Customer Insights, data customer profiles must include the contacts ingested from Dynamics 365 Customer Insights journeys. Data ingested from data sources must be unified, mapped, matched, and merged to create customer profiles before segments can be created and exported to Dynamics 365 Customer Insights journeys.
Customer profiles are included in the segments that can be exported to Dynamics 365 Customer Insights journeys.
Measures are key performance indicators, KPIs, that can be added to customer profiles and used to create segments.
You do not need to define measures to create segments. Segments can be created by using the field. You use Dynamics 365 Field Service to support customer equipment. Which feature can you use to provide proactive service? Option 1, Agreements. Option 2, Connected Field Service. Option 3, Inspections. Option 4, Work Order Types. Correct answers, Connected Field Service.
Explanation: this item tests the candidate's knowledge of proactive customer asset management by using Dynamics 365 Connected Field Service.
Connected Field Service generates work orders based on telemetry anomaly alerts and enables proactive preventative maintenance.
Agreements are used to create work orders based on a schedule for preventative maintenance.
Inspections are performed by the technician during work orders to record the status of equipment and other relevant information. Inspections do not help in proactive maintenance.
Work order types are used to categorize work orders but are not used in the processing or scheduling of work orders.